Hi, welcome to Island Tech with another video in which we are discussing about Park Social Panel, how you can get the services and resell. And today we are going to go for the next step, that is the TikTok related services. We can get the services from this best website and to resell it. Let's see what types of TikTok views they are telling us, they are giving us the services. You can see IT 128. Its TikTok view speed is very fast, almost 100 million per day. That's interesting. And its guarantee is lifetime non-drop services. Starting time is point uh, 1 hours, or you can say within 60 minutes. This service is started, and it's also highly recommended. Let's see what other descriptions are there. Minimum amount you can check 100, and maximum amount you can see there is almost 10 million. Price is very low, almost 0.0038 dollar. So let me show how it will cost it. Best services of TikTok views, non-drop, instant delivery. That's a good thing. Lifetime guarantee. If I have a video of TikTok, I will put the link here. Let's calculate how much 1 million TikTok views will cost us. We are going to write here. I am going to write 1 million. So this is a 1 million. Just in $3.8 you will get 1 million views. So this is very interesting. Then you will click on here. Yes, I have confirmed. You have to see the placed orders. You have to place order on this one. It's a very interesting website. You can earn more and more, because only you or the viewers who is seeing this trick, this best website, to give the platform to earn more and more. So see you in next video.